Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Haval H6, stock reference number 4065. This shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. GW4C20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, camera type. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.